Actually, advertising on Facebook is incredibly easy. But what is the secret to success? There are two things you need to have in order to succeed with your ads. One, a winning offer. That is, a product or service that there's actually a demand for. And two, a winning ad creative. That is, a well-designed ad with a video or image along with text and headline that is profitable. All of the other things such as bidding, targeting, testing, optimizing, etc. Facebook will do for you. The strategy we'll be using in this course will be let Facebook's algorithm test ad creatives for us to find winners. After the test, find and keep the winners. And finally, let Facebook's algorithm test new ad creatives against the winners. So why has Facebook advertising become so simple? Everything today is automated because Meta, the company that owns Facebook, wants you to succeed. If you bring out winning ads, you will make and spend more money as an advertiser, which means that Meta makes more money. This is a win-win situation, and it's the reason that Facebook is the biggest social media advertising platform in the world. So if you're ready to get started and learn this strategy step by step to start succeeding with your Facebook ads, we'll see you in the next lecture.